Welcome to 3544 Trebor Lane. Extraordinary 2017 built, luxury residence, at the upscale Woodridge section of the Meadows. An open floor plan design, with soaring two-story great room, warm wood floors and trim work, gas fireplace, and stunning chef-worthy kitchen. Viking appliances with a 6-burner gas range, built-in professional refrigerator, stainless steel farmer's sink, vented range hood and wine cooler. Beautiful wood cabinetry with large center island, quartz tops, soft close drawers and hidden walk-in pantry. The first floor owner's retreat has French doors overlooking the beautiful pool area, 2 walk-in closets and a luxurious light and bright bath with dual shower heads, rimless shower door, dual sinks, framed mirror and soaking tub. The first floor study is equipped with a closet and nearby full bath, and can be used as a 4th bedroom. Wood stairs lead to the large bonus room, 2 bedrooms with baths, plus an upper deck with spiral staircase to the heated saltwater pool, spa and fire pit, and appealing golf course views. Also included is surround sound, alarm system, wired for smart house, fully equipped laundry room, 3-car extended garage with room for golf cart or a workshop, and custom gas lanterns. Nearby, enjoy fine dining and shopping at the University Town Center Mall, Whole Foods, and just 5 miles to downtown Sarasota. Call today for a private showing.